Girlies, we got another grown and sexy, easy to install wig from Idefine, and this wig is just absolutely gorgeous. The color is given. It's so beautiful, and I love that I did not have to curl this hair at all. It came with the curls, so we are going to go ahead and jump into this video. I hope you all enjoy it, and make sure to check out this wig. Let's do it. Hey guys, I'm Brittany Rivers and welcome to my channel. So today I'm coming at you all with the unboxing and installation of this glueless highlighted wig from Idefine Wig. And Idefine actually reached out to me and asked me to try this wig for you all. And the coloring, you guys, we're obsessed. And these curls came with the wig, so it's eating the girlies up. But we are going to go ahead and get into this video. But before we do, I'm going to ask that you all remember to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Madam Brittany, and let's get into this video. Okay guys, so we are going to go ahead and unbox this wig from Idefine. Like, I feel like they come through with some of the easiest ready to wear wigs. So let's go ahead and get into it and see what she's giving. Bam, here is the box, you guys. Super sleek and fancy. So Idefine 100% virgin hair. These wigs are always super duper good for beginners, or if you want just a quick wig to wear and you don't want to have to do just too much work. Let me bend the camera up a little bit. Yeah, you don't want to have to do too much work. So let's go ahead and open this wig, see what she's giving. Oh, we got a little bit of color. We got some color. I've been loving color. I feel like the world has just been too black and white, too gray. I want some color in my life, so I've been loving wigs that have a little bit of spice to them. So it does come with two wig caps. So you got a light one and a dark one. You can choose whichever depending on your skin tone or what kind of look you want to go for. And of course it also comes with this flyer that tells you about the return policy and how to care for your wig. So if you're a beginner, you're good. But let's see what this wig is giving. Ooh, okay, look at that. Look at that brown in there. Let's take off this knitting. Oh my goodness. Is she eating? Is she eating the girlies up? Let's see. Ooh, we got a little bang action too. Okay, so look at that curl. That's a beautiful like wand curl. And looking at the color, they did a really good job dyeing this hair. So as you can see at the top, it is like a 1B color. And then you have highlights and it doesn't just get super choppy. It's not like a messed up job to where you just got highlights any kind of place. I feel like it does a good job. Like you got highlights like here, then the low lights are kind of brown. So that eats, you guys, and bam. And as you can see, there are like little bangs in the front. So we'll see. We shall see. Let's take off this paper to see the lace. It does have an elastic band and it is adjustable. So you can fit it whether you have a bigger or a smaller head. I'm a big head girly, so this is good for me. But let's go ahead and take this off. So you can part this wig any kind of way. If you want to play with it a little bit, spice it up a little bit, you can do it. And of course it has combs here, combs here, combs here. So your wig can be super secure. So we're going to go ahead and get into the install. The only thing I'm going to do to prep this wig is add a little bit of makeup to the lace to make the lace just a little bit closer to my skin tone. But since we have bangs, I don't see the lace being like much of a problem at all. So this wig is also glueless, you guys. So this is going to be super fast and easy. So I'm just going in with this powder, putting some on my makeup brush, and putting it on the wig. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. This is completely optional too. Like you do not have to do this. And most of the time I like to wait until I actually have the wig on too, because I might end up adding a little more powder to the lace. But we shall see when we put this baby on. Bam, bam, bam. Let's put this wig on and see what she's giving. Let's see. Okay. Look at that color though. Okay. Ah! Okay, she's cute. Okay, hold on. Let's push it back a little bit. So for the bangs, you can separate them. I think I might part it down the middle a little more. But like, look at the color itself. Like the color is cute. And the curls, oh, they're eating. She's taking it. But yeah, you could kind of push it up if you want your bangs to be a little bit shorter. But what I'm probably going to do, I'm going to cut the bangs just a little bit because this is kind of long in my face. But let's get this part how we want the part to be. So I do think I want like a middle part curtain bang look almost, but you could also Let's see. So here are the bangs. Bam. So it's better they gave you more length than too little length, because nobody likes some itty bitty short bangs. But what you could do a side bang maybe and not have to cut like as much, but let's actually cut a little bit of it. So I want to do like a middle part curtain bang look almost. That's what we're gonna go for. So we're gonna cut these just a little bit. Bam. They're cutesy, super cute. Okay, so let's part it in the middle to make the middle part pop a little bit. We're gonna do like a curtain bang almost. So bam. And let's slick it to make sure we don't lose our part at all. So we're gonna slick. And actually, I don't think we're gonna have to cut these bangs at all. Like if we do like the middle part curtain bang look, we don't have to cut the bangs. And then I'm gonna add a little makeup inside of the part to make sure it pops and you can see the separation a little more. And we're just gonna hit these bangs with a little heat. And bam, you guys, she's looking super cutesy. It's so easy to install. And as you can see, it is still 100% glueless. Let's bring it up a little bit. Bam. It is 100% glueless. Like, bam. The color though, it just eats. And this wig was just so easy to install. Like that color, I'm obsessed. So cute, you guys. Like they absolutely ate. Okay, super duper cutesy. Idefine, you absolutely ate that. But make sure to check out this wig. I'm going to link it below. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and have a great day, you guys. Bye.